Neem and its use in oral cosmetics. So first we will see what is the biological source. It consists of various parts of tree such as leaves, bark, twigs, seeds, oil and fruit of Azadi Rakta indica of family Meliaceae. It is native to Indian subcontinent and most of countries in Africa. It is typically grown in tropical and semi-tropical regions. Neem trees also grow on islands in southern Iran. Its fruit and seeds are the source of neem oil. So various parts of the neem oil are used. They have different constituents. They are used in making different preparations. So we will see what are the various chemical constituents. Two major classes of phytochemicals, isoprenoids and non-isoprenoids, have been isolated from different parts of neem. About 300 chemical compounds have been isolated till date from neem. The most common isoprenoids include diterpenoids, triterpenoids, vilacinins, lemonides, and C-cycomycins. The non-isoprenoids include proteins, polysaccharides, sulfur compounds, polyphenolics, dihydrochalcone, coumarins, tannins, and aliphatic compounds. Nimbene, which is a triterpenoid, account for much of the biological activities of neem oil. It possesses anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, fungicidal, antihistamine, and antiseptic properties. Some other phytochemicals derived from neem include nimbolide, azadiractin, azadirone, azadiradione, and jidunin. So these are the chemical structures of the various constituents of the neem: azadirone, azadiradione, azadiractin, etc. So now we will see what are the uses. Neem is used for making chewing sticks for brushing teeth. Neem oil is added to toothpaste and variety of other preparations. It is having various uses. We will discuss them one by one. So neem role as a wonder drug is stressed as far back as 4500 years ago and has numerous health restoring benefits. In past years, extensive research on therapeutic benefits of neem in oral and dental problems has proved its efficacy as an excellent and inexpensive antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer agent. Therapeutic effect of neem in oral disease include antibacterial action. Azadiractin and nimbin are the principal antibacterial constituents of neem. Neem leaf extract causes significant reduction in plaque index and bacterial count, especially of S. mutans and Lactobacilli species. Antifungal properties. Neem oil and leaves have antifungal properties and have been effective in reduction of candida induced denture stomatitis. Neem oil extract is effective against various fungi: Aspergillus flavus, Aspergillus niger, A. fumigatus, A. terreus, Candida albicans, and M. gypsum, and in vitro. Anti-karyogenetic effect. Neem bark and twigs have been used as natural toothbrush since ages. Neem bark extract has significant anti-karyogenic properties on various karyogenic bacteria inhabiting oral flora. Anti-inflammatory. Neem extract is effective in reducing acute and chronic inflammation. Antioxidant properties. Neem extract prevents oxidative and hydroxyl ion induced mucosal damage, thereby exerting an anti-ulcer effect. Since early days, people in India use neem toothbrushes instead of neem toothpaste. Chewing of neem toothbrushes has for many centuries been the commonly preferred way to prevent gum diseases and maintain healthy teeth. This chewing property of neem toothbrushes for dental care has helped Indian villagers to avoid cavities and tooth loss, although they have no access to modern dental care facilities or products. This chewing advantage of neem toothbrush has been picked up by many cosmeceutical manufacturers, and neem toothpaste for oral care has been introduced in Indian market. Neem toothpaste mainly contains neem leaf powder. Interestingly, the neem leaf is not even the most effective neem product for dental care purposes, but manufacturers would not want to use bark in toothpaste because that would make it brown. Such product would not have cosmetic appeal. Some toothpaste do contain bark extracts Neem mouthwash often uses neem bark extract as well as leaf extract. Neem tooth powder can contain not only dried leaf but also neem bark and neem seed. Neem tooth powder, a mixture of powder of neem, seeds, rock salt, and alum, is also available in market for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. Recently, neem mouth gel made from dried neem leaves contain 20% alcoholic neem leaf extracts, and neem gargles also under investigation for oral care. So now we will see various neem products. So this is a neem stick or neem twig. This is used as a toothbrush. Then there are medicated toothpaste containing neem. This is neem natural antibacterial protection for strong teeth and healthy gums. This is Ayusri all natural toothpaste neem. This is Colgate active salt containing neem. These are the mouthwashes neem mouthwash by Theraneem, Desert Essence neem mouthwash. So this is all about neem. Thank you very much.